Today we help our friend, not mentally, that's a whole other challenge, but physically by changing the oil here in this Galant.
Help! Please.
How's it going down there?
I need help!
We know that, but with the oil change.
No.
What is Austin taking out of the car?
The shitty ass oil.
Coolant.
Watch your profanity.
What difficulty are you having? Why can't you get the oil filter off?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so in times like this, there's multiple tools you can use, right? First
You're
of
the
all,
best one.
strong forearms. Okay, so go to the gym if you can't get it off. Second one,
What am I supposed to do in the meantime?
filter wrench. If there's no filter wrench, you take a screwdriver, you punch it through that oil filter, you twist it off.
Oh.
Yeah. Which one are you gonna try?
Option.
All right, we're going off in 3, Bob.
Now we check up on our buddy. How's it going down there?
So we resorted to option number 4, the actual proper tool. The screwdriver was a... I'm not a pro here, guys. I just don't know how to use a screwdriver. Hey,
Hey,
Hey, you come here. Come here. I want to show you something.
did you remember to lube the filter first? Oh, that's right in the process of lube. It's very important, guys. Always lube before insertion.
Use the old oil because there's still going to be remnants in the engine. Ow! That hurt. Oh, gonna get high again, guys. Pump!
Pump up the jam, pump it.
What's next up, buddy boy?
Thanks, by the way.
No worries.
Only the best.
I pour halfway on
Motomaster, fully synthetic.
You got something that you know.
It's important we make sure that there's the right amount of oil in here.
Trigonometry. Mathematics, bruv.
Don't go too fast. Don't go too fast. Slow down. Faster. Slower. Now.
Oh, sorry.
How do you think this is going? Oil change is coming to a complete.
Everywhere.
Oh, she's getting in there. Crap, what's she doing? Is that the wedding ring?
I think we're fine.
What does it say?
It's over the second hole.
Oh my god.
What are we playing golf?
You know what that means. The engine's gonna explode.
Well, the first oil change took about 3 hours. So now we're decided to do another one. Now we're gonna do this Skyline 34.
Double down, baby,
Double down.
Double down.
Drop it.
double
Drop
down.
it.
You're gonna put it there. I mean, that should be fine. Space.
No mosquito beat me.
Wait. So what step are we?
Oh, we're draining the oil now.
No, 15.
Well, so now we drain the oil in the R34.
I should probably make it go left.
How's it going, crisscross applesauce?
I had it going righty-tighty. I haven't taken the oil out yet.
You know you want to go lefty-loosey, right?
So is that counterclockwise?
Going for a little behind the scenes action?
Behind my butt crack?
Come on, we're waiting for the big ol' drippy.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, chalky milk! Wow!
I'm not tasting this.
As you can see, we're putting on the oil filter. It is now nighttime, and we're using flashlights.
Buddy, we're professionals.
And we're back at it again. It is now 2 hours later. We are now using Dasani water bottles and Castrol Edge to fill our Nissan Skyline. Very nice.